Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Eimear here. So we haven't been riding or making any videos in a while because of the summer holidays, and I sold my old bike, so I have a new bike now. I have basically been kind of trying to avoid giving it a go because it's not like my new bike. It's really big, and it was just like making me nervous. So this is the bike right here. It's a petrol clutch. So to stop it, you bring this in. So you'd stop revving it, bring this in, and then bring this in. And to do it, you don't just let it go. You kind of rev and let it go really slowly. So like I was really nervous whenever I first saw it. I was also excited because it's like a new bike and it's really big. I don't know if I'll be doing any competitions. I think I'm just going to have to get used to going up and down hills because it is like a really big bike. And so I just went practicing on it, and if I do say so myself, I've done quite a good job. I really hope to get more practice on it and try and... Oh, I've just realised this is on inside out. Okay, so I really hope to get more practice on it and to thankfully today I didn't fall off, but that day is still to come. I really hope I don't fall off anytime soon because I don't want to get burnt. Because if you see here, this is what makes it move or whatever. I don't know. The exhaust for getting here. Haven't been on my bike in a while. Don't judge me. So, like, that would be really warm, and so would this. I'm not going to touch it because I don't know if it's still hot or not, and I don't want to burn my fingers. So that would also get really warm. So if you fell on this side, it would burn your leg. So yeah, really excited to give it another go, and me and my dad have both agreed that if I don't feel comfortable with it, I will get a new bike, a bigger bike, and we'll sell this. Maybe. I don't know. My dad's looking at me weirdly from the camera, and I have no idea what he's trying to tell me. Anyways, my dad says I should say bye, so bye. Thanks for watching.